So, ma'am, at the 10th edition of Global Fashion Design Week, organized by the School of Fashion Design and School of Interior Design at AAFT Manwa Studios, how does this milestone shape your vision, bringing together fashion, interior, digital marketing, hospitality, and tourism all together in one platform?
See, that's a wonderful question and an answer in itself. Since we know that world is shrinking and globalization has actually brought together all aspects of design, creative industries together, and we truly believe in the essence of, being a creative hub of all the courses that we have in AFT. When we talk about fashion school per se, there is a lot of garment construction that you're going to see, and designers are going to showcase their collections on the ramp that they have been working for, which is their graduating, project, as we call it. So more than 150 garments are going to be on the display. Then we have fashion communication students like yourself who are going to be not just interviewing the guests and the people involved, but also making a mark for themselves in how to communicate, not just with words, but also making an impact in terms of visual story, creating those stories around. And you are the storytellers, so that is one part of it. Coming to interior school, if I may say, the furniture design or the setup display that we have really upgraded and leveled it up by putting a lot of set design into composition. Then exhibition design as a concept has been added, and work is going around various aspects, whether it's sustainability, whether it's futuristic designs, AI integration, tech component, or contemporization of designs, or bringing together the cultural amalgamation, as we say, taking cues from various countries. So that is one part of it. Digital School is doing fabulous in creating the content and boosting it across various social media platforms. We'll be coming out with a wonderful book from the fashion communication department, the coffee table books that the students produce, but also at the same time event or the festival book that the School of Digital Marketing is going to come out with. Having said that, the hospitality school is going to have a wonderful array of food display, and which is inspired by the country. So the students have been learning the nuances of various countries, what makes a dish. So the ingredients may be the same as the basic ingredients, but what makes it look more Lebanese, or what makes it look more Greek in its appearance, or say any other country. So those are the things, those little things that the students are they have been learning over their course. That is what is going to be showcased. And with the 10th edition being a great milestone for us, as I say, it's been a huge journey. So we are trying to really level up with every aspect of display that we have, every aspect of design that we have.
Sure.